Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a famous place, located in central London, England. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Buckingham Palace, Buckingham Palace, Bocking, Pa, Liz, Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace has 775 rooms, including 19 state rooms, where official events and receptions are held by the king. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Buckingham Palace, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.